There wasn't a video yesterday because I made it on my laptop for the first time, which is super fast, but I can't, there's not enough internet on the boat to get it up into the cloud. So as you'll see, I have to film my computer screen. I'm learning. Today we're gonna do scrambled eggs, which is pretty easy, pretty simple, but I've seen a lot of people just kind of mostly overcook them. And so eggs are best cooked pretty gently and left creamy. I'll show you. I'll whisk them up. There's some additional French way where you scramble and you pack them all in your pan and then scramble, but I prefer this way. Just get all the whites and the yolks all homogenized and smooth. So butter in the pan, swirl around. Butter foams because it's water in it. So as it bubbles, the water leaves the butter. It leaves you with just two things: the fat and milk solids. Go on the bowl. A little bit of salt, and then I just move the pan around. Kind of get up on the rim.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah, you gotta clean the rim before you eat it. It's a good rule of thumb. So see how fast that's cooking? Come over here, Patty. To me, that's coming off the heat now. It's still a bit wet, but the residual heat in the pan is gonna keep that cooking perfectly. Add a little black pepper if you like. So these are just plain scrambled eggs. Obviously you can add cheese. Those are nice, fluffy, not overcooked, out of the pan onto the strange panther plate we have on board. Rich people buy funny plates. Panther egg. Panther egg.